Arrive in style with this 2014 Chevrolet Traverse Lieutenant. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear spoiler, heated mirrors, rear side airbag, privacy glass, fog lamps, trip computer, and power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.